Hey guys, Evan with Bluebird Exteriors here in beautiful Johnson City, Tennessee, and today I wanted to walk you through our concrete maintenance program. So let me turn you around real quick so you can see what we're talking about. All right. So last year we came by and we pressure washed all this concrete area. Washed the driveway. All this concrete wraps around the front of the house here. It's a lot of surface area. It took a lot of time. It was really in need of it though. It hadn't been washed for many, many years, and it was in pretty bad shape. So this year we are doing our maintenance program. So as you can see here in the sun, really the concrete looks pretty good. It doesn't really look in need of much. There's a little bit of stuff here along the stairwell. When we come to the shady areas though, we're dealing with a lot of algae growth, especially right here. We get some runoff from the roof. This stays wet. Over here in that corner was really bad. But again, we don't really want to come through and pressure wash this every year, because every time we pressure wash, a little bit of the surface comes off and a little bit comes off. And if you do that every single year, you're doing some permanent damage to the concrete. So that's where our concrete maintenance program comes in. So let me show you this here. I'm going to take our applicator, and what we're going to do is we're going to apply our cleaning product. Just going to do this little section here for you, demonstrate how this works. So, as you can see here, this has already started to work for us. Lightening this up. Let me show you real quick. James is over here, rinsing this out. We've already applied to this corner back here. This was just entirely green back here. There gets almost no sun, constant humidity back here, and this was all covered in green. So we did our application here, and then really what we're doing here, we're just rinsing it out. We're rinsing away the cleaning product, we're rinsing away all the leaves and just stuff that gets built up on the concrete, just, you know, from the trees and different debris, things like that. We're just rinsing it. We're not applying high pressure to the concrete this time, where it's not necessary for what we're doing here. This has not been a buildup of years and years and years. 6 months or a year's worth of growth. Now let's come over here and take a look at how this is coming along. So already you can see quite a difference. This corner is what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now. We're just going to rinse it off. We're just going to rinse it off, and then they will be set for a nice summer around the pool while keeping their concrete clean, while doing minimal damage to it, unlike pressure washing it year after year after year, which I do not recommend. Not recommend its company, nor do we do. This is what we have for those people that want to keep their concrete in really good looking condition and keep everything safe. So that's our concrete maintenance program. I'm Evan with Bluebird Exteriors, 423-657-0880. Have a great day.